Electricity is essential in our daily lives, but it can also be dangerous if not handled properly. Shocks and electricity fire can happen due to faults in wiring or appliances. But don't worry, there's a simple device that can protect you, the RCCB. Let to know what is the RCCB. RCCB stands for Residual Current Circuit Breaker. It is a safety device that automatically cuts off the power when it detects a leakage current, preventing electrical shocks and fire hazards. When an RCCB detects even a small leakage in current, it trips and disconnects the power supply, keeping you safe. Let's talk about why should you install RCCB. If someone touches a live wire accidentally, the RCCB senses the leakage, the power preventing the electrical shocks. Faulty wire can cause electrical leakage, leading to overheating and fires. RCCB stops the current flow before any disaster occurs. Sometimes appliances can develop hidden electrical faults. RCCB detects these faults and turns off the power, ensuring your safety. In many countries, RCCB are now a legal requirement for new electrical installations. Ensure safety in homes and workplace. Let's talk about how does an RCCB work. RCCB continuously monitors the current flowing in live and neutral wire. Under normal condition, both currents are equal, but if there is a leakage, the RCCB detects the imbalance and trips the circuit. This happens within milliseconds, ensuring maximum protection. Installing an RCCB is easy. It should always be done by a qualified electrician. It is connected in the main circuit to monitor all circuit electrical appliances. RCCB comes in different rating for homes. 30 ampere RCCB is recommended, while for industrial areas, 100 ampere RCCB is commonly used. Let's talk about how to test an RCCB. To make sure your RCCB is working properly, press the test button once a month. If the power goes off, your RCCB is working fine. If not, call an electrician immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more electrical safety tips. Till then, stay power, stay safe.